how to make a Pinzimonio, a fantastic Italian antipasti dish. Great for kicking off any dinner party. It's simple, it's tasty, and you know what? It involves no cooking at all. All you need is amazing fresh vegetables, and today we're going to be using Filippo Berio extra virgin olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Always wash your veg first. Now you've got to do is prep your vegetables. Now we're going to make our dipping sauce. So what you need is some Filippo Berio balsamic vinegar. So for every tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, you add about 3 times or 4 times as much as olive oil. And now I'm going to pour in the olive oil. So I'm going to add about 3, let's look, 1, 2, 3. And then just mix that all together. And it is literally as simple as that. So now is the fun part. My sauce is ready, my vegetables are prepped. Now I'm going to dress my board. This is your Pinzimonio, a fabulous antipasti dish for any dinner party.